Hi, I'm Gabriela Benitez, and I'm an employee benefit advisor for Diversified Insurance Group. Manufacturing and construction companies don't have the type of budget that other companies do for employee benefits. Employee benefits is a recruiting tool, and oftentimes you're competing with not just another company, but also with marketplace subsidies. I help manufacturing and construction companies lower their health insurance premiums. I have dedicated the past 10 years in studying the underlying hurdles as well as becoming an expert on implementing strategies used by Fortune 500 companies that are making a lot of sense for companies your size. Some of the areas that I have been able to help companies with are reducing the year-to-year volatility long-term, simplifying healthcare, access to education, and healthcare doesn't need to be so complicated for everyone. Also, provide a better service outcome. Client support is critical and personal to us. As an example, if you have 15% of more Hispanic workforce, it's important for you to have bilingual support, right? Well, you probably want help with follow-ups, open enrollment meetings in Spanish, maybe texting and whatnot. And also, because safety is your #1 priority, we can help connect healthcare and safety prevention in a way that makes a lot of sense. In my many years of experience in running English and Spanish safety programs, I have learned that blending these topics will result in happier and a healthier workplace. And this is why I want to highlight also my key differentiator, which comes down to the passion for service. Easier said than done. Our highly trained team's priority is always to be there for you when you most need them. I'm interested to learn more about your company and perhaps share some ideas and thoughts on how we can help you out. I'd love to hear from you.